So I want to show you how to make a suet-style feeder, and I'm using only 2 ingredients in the actual bird food. But here we need 3 pine cones, and these are from a white pine. And I'm just going to orient them kind of upside down so that the petals go downward, and that'll help us to hold the ingredients on here. So I have 3 of those, and I have some embroidery thread that it's about an 18-inch strand. I'm just tying it about an inch down from the top, double tying that, and then I'll tie it again at the top. And I'm using an ornament hook that you would use to hang on your Christmas tree. Since we're hanging it in trees, I figured that would be perfect. So you want to make sure that you get these strings and the hooks on first before we start using the ingredients. But here I'm just taking regular raisins and I'm soaking them in warm water for just a few minutes. And then our other ingredient is just crunchy peanut butter. So of course you could use smooth if you want to, but I just thought the crunchy peanut butter would be more appealing to the birds. So I want to make sure I get all these hooks set up completely, and this is what I'm using. I'm using natural Jif peanut butter that is low in salt and low in sugar. And so now I'm just spreading that on, and I'm going to pretty much put it all the way around the pine cone, but you can just do it in streaks. You don't have to cover the whole thing. But you want enough peanut butter that it will last a while. And then I'm just taking those raisins out and just drying them with a paper towel really good. And then I'm just going to kind of attach those to the peanut butter. And this worked pretty well. So it wasn't, it seems like the consistency, it works really well. And the other thing is, once you're done with this process, I just kind of put them on this tray and brought them out and put them right into the tree. And that way it kind of froze up a little bit. And that helped to solidify it. And the birds really like this. So it took probably half a day to have them start feeding on it. But then ever since they've been feeding on it, and even now it's these last quite a long while, so that's pretty nice. So it's just crunchy peanut butter, and you want it to be low salt, low sugar, and then raisins that I soaked in warm water, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this is something that you try yourself and hope it's successful. So thank you so much.